Today is the 1st of August, and I've decided that for the next 30 days, I'm going to post on YouTube every single day. Never in my 5 or 6 years on YouTube did I ever contemplate posting daily because, man, that sounds like a challenge, and it's going to be a challenge, and that's exactly why I need to do this. This is not about some magical growth strategy. In fact, I'm not motivated here by any of those external factors. If there's growth, amazing. If there are likes, if there's engagement, cherry on top. This is very intrinsically motivated for me. The reason being that I have been stuck in this really vicious loop of over-perfection, over-ideating, over-planning, over-researching. And I've just been lacking momentum to just push through something from start to finish. I always have a shit ton of ideas. I get really excited about them. I start building the momentum, but then I don't really push through to the end. And I've had enough. I was going to say I've hit rock bottom. That's probably a bit dramatic. But I have got to the point where I'm sick and tired of being frustrated at myself. I'm tired of feeling guilty. And I'm tired of not living up to my full potential. That's really, really what it is. So that's what this challenge is about. Now, the timing is also amazing because, like I said, it's the 1st of the month. It's the 1st of August. I am a Leo. And this time of my life is also one where I'm kind of stepping into a new season, a new chapter in my career, but I guess also my life. So it feels like the right time to do something really hard that is going to help me become the version of the person I need to be for this next chapter. And let me give you a bit more context for, I guess, some of the things that I'm going through behind the scenes. I'm making a lot of changes and I hope to share more about that in the next 30 days. But context is that I have very, very intentionally built a career for myself or designed a career for myself that I'm so grateful for, that has given me incredible opportunities. I've worked with some of the world's most incredible brands. I've worked in big tech. I've worked on things that I've built myself from the ground up. I've done a lot of creative pursuits like YouTube, and I have basically designed this career that I'm very proud of, but unfortunately, it doesn't serve who I am anymore. I don't have the same values. My ambition is different. My definition of success is different. I think a lot of people go through this at different periods of their life, and maybe it is in your 30s when you go through this, but that's sort of where I'm at the moment. And I've been pushing for a little while to pivot my career or make some sort of transition. I like to call it future-proofing myself, given, the world we're living in and all the rapid technology changes that are happening. But yeah, in essence, for me, this is a new chapter, a new season, and I'm ready to full throttle. Let's go 10,000%. I'm backing myself. And something I've been sleeping on is my channel. Like I said, I've got 1,000,001 ideas, business ideas, content ideas, services, products, you name it, I've thought about it. But what I keep sleeping on is this incredible channel and community that I've actually built on here over the last 5 or 6 years through so much hard work. I have gained every single subscriber or person on here with hard work, sweat, and tears. And I need to invest back in this. I need to continue growing this incredible foundation that I have, and I don't know why I'm sleeping on it. Probably a part of this is because I originally started this channel to talk about tech careers, product management, and those aren't the things I really want to talk about anymore. And that has been adding to a lot of my confusion around, well, what do I post? But it doesn't matter. What you post doesn't even matter. It's just the act of posting It's the act of just doing the full cycle. It's the ideation, the scripting, or no scripting, just riffing like I am right now and just showing up every single day. So that's the point of this challenge. Now, I'm not promising that every video this month is going to be amazing, but I do promise that every video will have some sort of lesson that I've learned that hopefully you can learn from. Or it's going to have a lesson that I'm currently learning or navigating in real time. And I'll share those experiences with you as best that I can. And I'll be as raw and as vulnerable as I can as I go through this period of backing myself to step into a new season of my career and my life. Anyway, that's rep 1 done. That's day 1 done. I've got 30 reps to go. Stay tuned for tomorrow. I think I'm going to talk about ambition, which I think is a fascinating topic. So stay tuned for that. And see you for rep 2. I'm going to post this now, by the way. I'm going to post this now. No edits. It's going up.